There are places you don't just photograph, you experience them. Santorini is one of them. People come here for feelings, to have their breath taken away. But few realize what exactly takes their breath away. Look at its shape. This is not an island. These are its fragments, scattered around nothing. An emptiness vast enough to swallow an entire metropolis. Scientists call this shape by an exact word, a caldera. And its origin is one of the most terrifying pages on the planet. And find the answers. What force can erase an island from the map? Why does life flourish here today? And the most important question, is this beauty worth a risk measured not in money, but in geological epochs? To understand the scale, let's go back 3,600 years. Then, in place of this crescent, there was a round island, and life flourished on its slopes. The city of Akrotiri, the Pompeii of the Aegean, but much older. It had multi-story houses, running water, vibrant frescoes, and they had a warning. Months, maybe years before the main event, the volcano gave signals, earthquakes. People managed to evacuate. They took their most valuable possessions and left. And they were right, because then began what scientists call a super eruption. The magma chamber beneath the island ruptured. The explosion was millions of times more powerful than an atomic bomb. 60 cubic kilometers of rock shot into the stratosphere. But the most terrifying thing happened next. When the underground void became too large, the central part of the island, the size of a major city, could no longer support its own weight and collapsed, hundreds of meters down. That's how the caldera was born. And the wave from this collapse, it was as high as a 100-story skyscraper. The island ceased to exist. The consequences were planetary. Ash covered half the Earth, reaching the ice of Greenland. A volcanic winter began, years without summer, crop failures, famine. But the most terrible blow fell on the heart of the region, the Minoan civilization on Crete. Imagine, a wave as high as a skyscraper crosses the Aegean Sea in a matter of hours. It sweeps away fleets, erases coastal cities from the map. And then comes the ash. It buries palaces, destroys crops, kills the very possibility of life. One of the most advanced civilizations of the Bronze Age ceased to exist. It is this catastrophe that many historians link to the greatest myth, Atlantis, an island with a ring structure, swallowed by the sea in a day and a night. A coincidence? Too many coincidences. Thus died not just a civilization, an entire world perished. But that's not where the story ended. It took an incredible turn. But nature is absurd. What kills later gives life. Volcanic soil is poor, porous, but incredibly mineral-rich. It doesn't yield a harvest, it yields character. Grapes here struggle for survival, producing the most concentrated juice in the world. Cherry tomatoes absorb the salt of the sea breeze and the sun of the Aegean. Paradise grew literally from the ashes. And today, people live here not out of ignorance, but by choice. The volcano sleeps, but its breath is caught by dozens of sensors. Scientists monitor every tremor. This is life with a full understanding of the price. The price for every dawn over the abyss. And here is the main question Santorini poses to us. What is more important in us? The instinct of self-preservation or the thirst for beauty? Are we ready, knowing all the risks, to make the same choice? The answer is different for everyone. What is stronger in you?